You probably know Salmonella as the disease that makes you, defecate. Well, despite its name, Salmonella does not normally come from these guys, but from these guys, and can in some cases actually be deadly. Salmonella is a bacteria which has long been known to infect certain types of human cells. When this infection is detected by the immune system basically says, get out, to everything in the guts. But recent research has suggested that not only does Salmonella cause this evacuation of the bowels, it actually benefits from it. The research suggests that Salmonella not only hides in our cells, also feeds off a waste compound which is only present when the immune system has told everyone to bounce. This makes Salmonella grow faster and outcompete the few bacteria left. So how can we make this into a metaphor? Now imagine that I have friends and I'm at a party. I'm at one of my friends' party. Everyone is having a good time. The host thinks everything is going according to the plan. Everyone is having a good time, all of his good buddies are in here. But little to his knowledge, I have hid on a closet and called the cops. Cops arrive and throw everyone out but me. When everyone is gone, I climb out and eat all of the leftover donuts that the officers left behind. And the host? Well, he's stuck in a cell all night, pooping. This video was based on 2 papers done by a group of scientists. If you want to read the scientific papers, they're in the descriptions down below. If you have any questions or comments, you can either email me or go to the Ratska subreddit.